Atunle, atunle. The word tun is used to describe something that is happening again or something that happens repeatedly. And le means to display, to showcase, to make something visible enough to be seen by everyone. Who then is this child whose Oriki is Atunle? Very simple, yet deep. It is the child to be displayed over and over again. A child to be showcased repeatedly. Every chance we've got, we shall spend on displaying this child. We shall use it to announce to the world how blessed we are to have you, how blessed you are yourself, how much of the personification of goodness that you are. Atunle, ọmọ tá ń lé, tá tún tún lé, àlélé tún lé ní tọmọ yìí. We shall display you, and then display you, and display you, and display you all over again, because we are proud to be associated with you. Your kind is rare. Therefore, every chance we've got, we will use to announce you. Atunle lóríkì rẹ, Wàá Ṣere.